Here we have our X-axis assembly. We have our 2 lead screws in front of us along with 8 M3 nuts and screws. So we'll take one of our lead screw assemblies, put the 4 nuts, the 4 bolts in there, like this. And then we will take our larger X-axis assembly and insert it simply into that. Turn it upside down. Now we are taking an end stop. We've separated from our other strands. We're going to insert 2 M2 by 16 screws into the end stop. Then we will take our X-axis assembly, assemble like this, taking a M2 nut, carefully tighten around. So we have finished our assembly of our X-axis parts. We've installed both of the lead screws and we've fastened our end stop onto the X-axis assembly. Now we are going to take one of our 396 millimeter polished rods. We are going to insert it carefully into the hole there until there is no more to go. Take the second one, also install it there. Okay. For our upper rod, we are going to put 2 linear brackets. And for our lower rod, 1 linear bracket. After that, we are going to take our other X-axis assembly piece and we will push it together like that. Now we are going to take our Z-axis acrylic mounts. Notice carefully, the outer edge hole will be in the middle of your printer, like this. We will take our screw, loosely fasten. And for this one, again, our outer edge screw. Now we are taking our X-axis assembly. We are going to take one of the 320 millimeter smooth rods, insert it carefully through the hole at the top of your bracket and into the bearing. Make sure you have a fit here. You can adjust this if you don't. Take this one, do the same. You can adjust your X-axis parts to fit the assembly rods. Make sure you have an up and down unobstructed motion, and then tighten your. Okay, now we are going to take more of our acrylic end stops. We're going to insert a screw. We can put it covering up our hole for our smooth rod. And then we will tighten Now we have completed our X-axis assembly. We are going to take our screw and open the the coupler. Okay, take one of your steel threaded rods. It will fall in. Once tight, proceed to secure the rod in place. And repeat for the other side. Okay. After you have installed both threaded rods onto your printer, you can do a simple test by spinning both of your couplers in the same direction, either to the left to raise the x-axis, or to the right to lower the x-axis. Make sure that you have a level surface. If one level is higher, you can simply raise or lower it to make sure that your x-axis is flat.